to edit your story on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your story on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now this is my profile. Click on your story and click on those 3 points. And now all you need to do is click on save your story. Now click on it, click on those 3 points, click on delete. Now click on new and click on the picture that you delete, and now you can edit what do you want on this story and click on your story. Okay, so this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.